Welcome everyone to Bonifabcustom. Today I show you how to take this crusty old lawnmower blade and turn it into a beautiful Damascus knife. Let's get right into it. So to get into working with this steel from the lawnmower blade, we have to put it into our forge and anneal it. So we're gonna get it red hot and cool it down slowly. And we're also gonna flatten this out while we're putting it in the forge to get this into a flat piece of metal that we can cut, and then we can stack with some 15N20 to really show that contrast between the lawnmower blade and the high nickel, high carbon steel that we're gonna mix with this to make our Damascus. So we forged out our lawnmower blade nice and flat. We sheared it on our shear to pieces that are 1 inch wide by 2 3/4, because that's the thickness or the width of our lawnmower blade. And then we cut some 15N20 to the exact same size. And we made sure that our lawnmower blade, because it had that rust and filth on it, we had to make sure that it was completely clean. So we ground all that material right down to clean material. And now we're ready to stack it in our vise, and we will TIG weld it all together. And then we're gonna go over to the forge, heat it up to forging temperatures, and we will forge it together, forge weld it together, and then draw it out to a nice billet. Let's do that. So we have our billet. We machined it so to make it flat and take off the slag off the front and back. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a quick etch to see what the pattern looks like and where it is. And then after we do that, we're gonna make a quick sketch of a knife that uses up all that material. So let's get into that. So now I have my drawing, I cut it out, and I'm gonna use this cutout like a stencil, and I'm gonna just spray paint over top, and then I'm gonna have an outline of my knife. So let's get into making this thing. Thanks again everyone for watching Bonifabcustom as we took this nasty old lawnmower blade and made it into a Damascus chopper. Thanks for all your support, and don't forget to subscribe, as this week is a special week. As we get closer to our 1,000 subscribers, we will be having a giveaway, and we will be giving away all these knives that we're making out of various different things that you could find around your house. So don't forget to subscribe, and more details will be given to you on Friday. Thanks again.